Oh, shit.
What?
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 Who? What? What happened? What? What? Oh my God! Oh shit! Holy fuck! Oh my God! They're everywhere. There's a whole flock of them. There's got to be at least 2 or 3 of them. That's like there's the fucking pirate, fucking hooker, robot, space, alien, demon, birds from hell. They whisper in my ear. Caw!
But really,
We've got the need for seed. Do you have our bird seed? DT, where's our seed?
I'm gonna take you to the fucking mental institution. I just broke out of there.
When they say tweet, tweet, motherfucker, where's our goddamn seed? Am I gonna have to shit all over your fucking face and car again?
Fuck the spatula video. That was gold.